We're going to be taking a look at the HTC Evo 4G. I made a video about rooting the HTC Evo on Froyo, but people complained about the audio, so I'm going to go ahead and make a new one, and hopefully this will be better. If you're on Windows, the first thing you need to do is go to the Unrevoked page, and the details will be in the, or the downloads will be in the details. You need to go to the Unrevoked page and download the drivers for Windows, okay, and also the Unrevoked package. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is power down our phone. Okay, push power. If you hear any kids in the background, those are my kids making noise. Surprised you pay for a tutorial. Alright, now you're going to push volume down and power back on the device. Alright, it's going to scan. Don't push any buttons, just let it do what it's going to do. Alright, go down to, you can go down to HBoot on the bottom and hit power. Okay, and then plug in your USB. Okay, now it says USB plug at the top. Can't really see, but it says it right here at the top, USB plug. Once it says that, you're going to go to control panel, and then you're going to go to device manager. And this is for Windows users only. If this is to install the drivers. If you're on Macintosh, you don't have to install the drivers. Okay, up here it says Android phone. All right, and you can drop down, and it usually say if you got ADB interface loaded, then you can right click on it and you can update the driver. Okay, and that I'll show you exactly how to do it. You right click, update driver, and browse my computer, and then you hit browse right here and browse to where it's at. Mine's already loaded, and then push next. See, mine says the best driver for your software is already installed. Okay, because I already got these drivers installed. But this is what you need to do, and once you're done, it will tell you drivers are updated, and you'll get a underneath the Android phone, it will say Android bootloader interface. That's how you know you will have your drivers successfully installed on your phone. Okay. Just read up in the pages too. I mean, I'm showing you guys how easy it is, but just read up and you'll be able to follow it. Okay, we're gonna get out of here, and we're gonna actually reboot our phone. Okay, so reboot your phone from the go to fast boot, and it'll let you reboot on your phone. Okay, now once you're back on your phone again, okay, on the stock Evo, you're gonna go to your computer, wherever you have the Unrevoked application at. Okay, it says read flash package. You're gonna double click on it, run. Okay, mine says it's okay. Go to your phone. Mine's plugged in, but I need to go to phone, settings, applications, development, and then click US debugging. Okay, click OK. Okay, click OK on here, and then Unrevoked is going to do the rest. It's rebooting right now. It's saying rebooting. Right here, it's going to be rebooting. Really, here you don't have to do hardly anything. Okay, until the bootloader starts. It says when bootloader starts, press volume down to HBoot USB, then press power. So we're going to go back here again, go down 4, and press power. And it's doing its thing right now. Waiting for a reboot. I'm switching back and forth so you can kind of see what this really doesn't do anything, but down here on the bottom it's giving you directions. So if you read down at the bottom versus waiting for reboot, it will tell you what to do, or if you're supposed to do anything on your phone. Okay, and then the phone is working by itself. Really the only thing you have to do is when you go into the bootloader, you just push H the HBoot USB. That's it. Other than that, it does all the work itself. Okay, phone has restarted again. It's rebooting. Now it says on the Unrevoked, it says when bootloader starts, press volume down to HBoot USB, then press power. Make sure drivers are installed. Okay, so I'm gonna go down again to the bottom one and press HBoot USB. Hit power. And now it's doing its thing. Okay, it's going to reboot the phone again. So the phone is rebooting. Hi. The only thing you have to do really is just look on the bottom of the Unrevoked thing when you run it, and it will give you directions. It's really simple. It's not as hard as people are making it out to be. If you follow directions, it would be no problem. Okay, it's rebooting into recovery right now. It says on Unrevoked, rebooting into recovery. And in recovery, you don't touch anything. It's going to do everything for you. This is the third time I've rooted my phone in the last day and a half. So I know it works. It's pretty easy. Sorry about the kids in the background. Hey, I got 3 of them. They're going to make noise. Ain't no way to stop it. Okay, up here, it says, I don't know how well you can see it. It says done on there. So that's done. This is done. It's going to reboot and we're finished. It's rooted that easy. You know, it doesn't take long to do it all. Basically, as long as you got the drivers installed, and you don't install them on your computer, you put the folder of the drivers on your computer somewhere, and then when you're in HBoot in the bootloader, you install the drivers on your phone that way. But other than that, you just follow the Unrevoked 3 directions. It's pretty simple. This, like I said, this is the 4th time I've done this, or excuse me, 3rd time. Okay, charge only, and we got root. Okay, I'll go in here and we'll see the super user icon right there. Okay, that's really the only way to tell right away. You know, you can download Wi-Fi, Tether, or Titanium backup or something like that. But if you see super user right there, then you know you got root. So this is root on Android 2.2, and we can show you right here in the Android 2.2, and we attained root. So I hope everybody follows the directions, and I hope the audio is better on this for you. Sorry about the last video. I'm out. Hit me in the comments for any questions.